Imagine you're a busy bee, juggling a million tasks at once. You need a tool to keep everything organized and on track. Have you heard of Trello? It's a popular project management tool that can help you stay on top of your game. But here's the burning question. Can you use Trello for free? Let's dive into the world of Trello and find out if you can manage your projects without breaking the bank. 1. What is Trello? Trello is a visual collaboration tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to organize tasks. Think of it as a virtual whiteboard where you can pin up notes and ideas. It's a simple yet powerful tool that's perfect for individuals and teams alike. 2. The free Trello plan. Yes, you can absolutely use Trello for free. The free plan offers a solid set of features that can cater to the needs of most users. Here's a breakdown of what you can expect. Unlimited boards. Create as many boards as you need to organize different projects or areas of your life. Unlimited cards. Add cards to your boards to represent tasks, ideas, or assignments. 10 MB file attachment limit. Attach files to your cards. But keep in mind there's a size limit. Basic power-ups. Access a few essential power-ups to enhance your Trello experience, such as the due date power-up and the voting power-up. Limited integrations. Connect Trello to a few popular apps, but the options are more limited compared to the paid plans. 3. Key features of the free plan. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features that make Trello's free plan a valuable tool. Drag and drop functionality. Easily move cards between lists to reorganize your tasks. Customizable labels and due dates. Add labels to cards to categorize them and set due dates to stay on track. Comments and discussions. Collaborate with others by adding comments to cards and engaging in discussions. Activity feed. Keep track of changes made to your boards and cards. 4. Limitations of the free plan. While the free plan offers a lot, there are a few limitations to consider. File attachment size limit. If you need to attach larger files, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Limited power-ups and integrations. The free plan doesn't provide access to all the power-ups and integrations available on paid plans. No priority levels. You can't prioritize cards based on importance or urgency. 5. When to consider a paid plan. If you find that the limitations of the free plan are hindering your productivity or the needs of your team, it might be time to consider upgrading to a paid plan. Here are some scenarios where a paid plan might be beneficial. Large teams. If you're working with a large team, a paid plan can provide additional features and integrations to streamline collaboration. Complex projects. For complex projects with many moving parts, a paid plan can offer more advanced features to help you stay organized. Increased file storage needs. If you need to attach larger files to your cards, a paid plan can provide more storage space. 6. Trello alternatives for free. Before you decide to upgrade, it's worth exploring some free Trello alternatives. Here are a few popular options. Asana. Another popular project management tool with a clean interface and a focus on team collaboration. Trello's free competitor. Mention a specific free competitor here, such as Rike or Monday.com. Kanban boards. If you're looking for a simple and visual way to organize your tasks, consider using a digital Kanban board. 7. Conclusion. So, can you use Trello for free? Absolutely. The free plan offers a robust set of features that can help you stay organized and productive. However, if you need more advanced features or are working on large projects, upgrading to a paid plan might be worth considering. Ultimately, the best choice for you depends on your specific needs and budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.